What's up folks, in this project we're making a tombstone with Adafruit's HalloWing M4. This Halloween, we wanted to make a light up tombstone with NeoPixels and an animated eye. The HalloWing M4 is packed with tons of sensors and features that crispy IPS display. The pumpkin spice flavored silk is sure to make your Halloween projects extra this year. We designed and 3D printed these parts to make a tombstone that snap fits together. It's got a Victorian style aesthetic, so it has some floral elements and some nice details. Black LED acrylic is used to make the faceplate with vinyl graphics added on top. This makes a light up sign that you could customize with your own message or some spooky graphics. The HalloWing M4 project was written by Philip Burgess and it uses Adafruit's libraries for Arduino. Be sure to follow the build from source page to properly upload the code to your HalloWing M4. The user NeoPixel file allows you to enable NeoPixel animations. This lets you run the rainbow cycle while animating the eye on the display. Check out the other examples for adding cap touch, servo control, and even heat sensing. You'll want to select your board profile and use the tiny USB option. You can get the code for this project from the GitHub repo linked in the Learn Guide. We 3D printed the parts without any support material using PLA filament. You can use the port on the side of the HalloWing to easily plug in a strip of NeoPixels. This can be a solder-free project, which is nice if you want to get your projects quickly up and running. The HalloWing M4 is secured to the faceplate using some machine screws. We made some decals on our vinyl cutter and added them to this piece of black LED acrylic. We found the black LED acrylic lights up the best when it's positioned away from a light source. We attached the strip of NeoPixels to the back cover using double-sided Nido tape. The back cover snap fits into the frame of the tombstone, which makes this an easy assembly. I hope this inspires you to pick up a HalloWing M4 and make some cool projects. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more projects from Adafruit.